It's time for trivia time!
Do you know that adoption of e-book strategies can help companies survive in a highly competitive environment? According to Hackbart and Getting Right, the adoption requires three distinct phases, namely experimentation, integration, and transformation. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. See you soon. Next trivia time. Bye-bye!